The wait is finally over. And if you thought the original studio display was a masterpiece of engineering, what Apple has prepared for 2026 is going to completely redefine everything you thought you knew about desktop immersion. For years, the creative world has been held captive by rumors, whispers from the supply chain, and the desperate hope for a panel that actually bridges the gap between professional-grade reference monitors and the sleek efficiency of the Mac ecosystem. Today, that gap doesn't just close, it vanishes entirely. We are standing on the precipice of a display revolution where pixels are no longer just dots on a screen, but windows into a digital reality so crisp, so fluid, and so breathtakingly accurate that your current setup will feel like a relic from a bygone era the moment you lay eyes on the new generation. Imagine sitting down at your desk and being greeted not by a monitor, but by a canvas that breathes life into your work with a level of luminosity and contrast that was previously reserved only for those willing to spend 5 figures on a Pro Display XDR. The Studio Display 2 is the answer to every single complaint, every what if, and every if only that has circulated in the tech community since 2022. Apple hasn't just iterated. They have fundamentally re-engineered the way light interacts with glass. By integrating cutting-edge Tandem OLED technology, the very same breakthrough that sent shockwaves through the iPad Pro lineup, Apple is bringing true blacks and infinite contrast to the desktop for the first time in a consumer-facing flagship. This isn't just an upgrade. It is a declaration of dominance in the high-end workspace market, designed specifically for the power users in New York, London, and Toronto who demand nothing less than perfection. The magic starts the second the panel ignites. Gone is the traditional LED backlighting that caused subtle blooming around bright objects. In its place is a self-emissive miracle that allows for HDR peaks that will make your eyes widen in disbelief. When you're editing 8K ProRes footage or color grading a cinematic sequence, the specular highlights pop with a realism that mimics the sun itself, while the shadows remain deep, inky, and full of the micro details that used to get lost in the gray haze of older LCD tech. But Apple didn't stop at the panel. They knew that for a 30-minute deep dive into productivity, the fluidity of the experience is just as vital as the color accuracy. That is why ProMotion has finally made its long-awaited debut on the Studio Display 2. Navigating your timeline at a buttery smooth 120 Hz isn't just a luxury. It's a physiological shift in how you interact with your Mac. Every scroll, every window resize, and every cursor movement feels instantaneous, removing the friction between your thoughts and your output. But why now? Why 2026? The timing isn't accidental. As the M5 and M6 chips push the boundaries of what a compact computer can do, the bottleneck has shifted to the visual interface. Apple recognized that the modern professional, the YouTuber, the architect, the software developer, needs more than just a sharp image. They need an intelligent hub. Hidden behind that stunning glass is a dedicated silicon engine, likely a variant of the A18 Pro, tasked with more than just managing pixels. This chip is the brain behind a revolutionary new spatial audio array and a camera system that makes your current webcam look like a pinhole camera from the 1990s. We're talking about a 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor that doesn't just track your movement with center stage, but uses advanced computational photography to relight your environment in real time, ensuring you look like you're in a professional studio, even if you're working in a dimly lit home office. The industrial design has also seen a sophisticated refinement. The bezels have shrunk to near invisible margins, creating an all-screen experience that feels like the content is floating in mid-air. The chassis, carved from a single block of recycled aluminum, is thinner and more thermally efficient, allowing the display to maintain sustained high brightness levels without the need for noisy fans. This is the silent partner every creator dreams of. Furthermore, the integration of Thunderbolt 5 support means data transfer speeds are doubling, allowing you to daisy-chain multiple 5K or even 6K displays with zero latency, creating a panoramic workstation that would make a NASA engineer jealous. This is the hardware that will define the next 5 years of digital creation. It is the tool that turns good enough into extraordinary. And as we peel back the layers of these leaks, it becomes clear that Apple isn't just selling a monitor. They're selling the future of how we see the world.